Hey, this is Chris with mywebsiteadvisor.com. Welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about one of our new WordPress plugins. This is actually the follow-up video. Last week we released the plugin and we released a video at that time. This video is going to go a little bit more in depth with some of the features. You can find this plugin on our website. It's the Tweet Manager plugin. It allows you to create a custom Twitter application and then send out your content via that application. I won't get into the basics of it since there's another video that already covers that. What I will cover today are some of these more advanced features of the Professional and the Ultra Manager, Tweet Manager. We've had some really good questions come in exactly how it all works. What does this mean about the scheduled / random tweets? And what are the tweet variations? What exactly does multi-user mean? Things like that. I'm going to log into the dashboard here and go to our tweets. Okay, so in the tweets, you could go down and click these buttons manually once an hour, click one, next hour click another one. That's going to work. It's going to be time consuming, but you're going to get your content out. We do offer the service to automate doing that. You put in your content and then we set up our scheduler to once an hour, twice an hour, whatever you want, send out your message. It'll just do it randomly, so it's going to spread that around pretty good for you. It'll put a different message in each time. One of the other features was the tweet variations, and that you can see right here. Do you use WordPress or love WordPress? Basically, the software looks for the parentheses or whatever you call those, whatever's in there separated by commas. It randomly chooses one of those, so you can see what the the final output of that is right here. It knows that there's two options. It'll randomly pick one. If you reload this page, most likely this will change. Try that one more time. Yeah, random, 50-50 chance. So it took a couple tries, but finally, yeah, it changes randomly. So that way you're not going to get a duplicate message. You're not going to be attempting to post a duplicate status update, because if you randomize every one of your messages, at least there's a 50-50 chance or better that it's not going to be a random a duplicate message, because it is random. So that's how that works. You can have multiple groupings. You can have 3 things in here, have another grouping with 2 or 3 things. It doesn't matter. It just randomly picks one of the multiple options that you have in there. So it's a really powerful tool, and that way you can you don't have to copy and paste duplicate your links, so you have 3 different variations of each tweet. This will store all your variations of it. The multi-user feature, it is available on all the different versions of the plugin. Basically what that allows you to do is any WordPress registered user or admin, or however you have that set up, can connect their Twitter account so they can send out tweets as well. So you could have the admin account set up as well as 2 or 3 other accounts set up, all using your one application, all randomly broadcasting out your tweets. So each user could enter tweets, but it would just randomly pick from the pool of everyone's contributed tweets and randomly send one of those out. So it's a really cool piece of software. We use it. It gets us a lot of followers every day. The other thing that we also do is the news, the RSS feeds under the feed settings here. We have just a one-word RSS feed in here. We're using Google News. This is the Ultra version, so all these keywords automatically go out to Google News to do searches. So there's always all kinds of news. There's probably 50 or so articles. You can actually see the debug down here. So yeah, the 60 different articles it found aggregating all the feeds from Google News, search. Just for today, I believe we have this set up to do. And it's for these keywords: WordPress, Twitter, Facebook, Google, YouTube. So it's a really way to generate news. A lot of times, we're the first people to tweet about news because we have this set up to monitor all these news feeds, and every half an hour or so it's looking to see if there's any new news about Facebook or Google or Twitter or whatever keywords you want. We have another website doing the same thing about politics. So it's some pretty cool software, and it helps to have some background, I think, to understand why we have the automated options that we're offering that service to automate using this plugin, because you could spend your whole life clicking on these tweet this buttons, and I think everyone has better things to do. That's the beauty of this. You can set it up and have your content go out automatically, and you can concentrate on learning's about other cool WordPress plugins. You could read about some of our marketing strategy or watch some of our videos, something like that, with that time, instead of just pressing the tweet button or typing in tweets and copying and pasting your links. Hopefully this has been some good background on a couple of these premium features here, and also may help you understand why we offer the automated posting service. It's so that once you have all this information set up, you don't have to spend your time pushing buttons. Everyone has better things to do. This is Chris with mywebsiteadvisor.com. Thank you very much for watching our video today.